called? Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Hi.
And welcome to the next vlog. We are going to Toronto Zoo today, so we're taking you with us.
Yes.
And now we're going to the subway to take the subway to go there because it's like an hour and 40 minutes away or something. So we have a long ride, and then I'm going to show you everything. How are we going to get there? Like, what did we do to get there?
We have to take a subway.
Yeah, sure, that's for sure. But show me your phone, the wallet.
Ticket.
Yes, because we actually bought the city pass. We think it's the best way to visit many attractions in Toronto. So I was going to show you about it. It costs, yeah, here's the city pass ticket. And it's available for Toronto Zoo, for the CN Tower, Casa Loma, Royal Ontario Museum, Science Center, Ontario Science Center. And I think it's also for
9 days.
yeah, it's for 9 days. So you choose 5 attractions for 9 days, and you can visit many places in Toronto. So we bought the city pass, and we're gonna visit everything. And the first one we chose was Toronto Zoo because Stevie loves the animals so much.
Yes,
of course,
so
I do
much.
too. And also they didn't need any pre-booking or reservation to go to the zoo. So since we bought the ticket today, we decided to go to the Toronto Zoo today. And then we'll see the next one. So, see you! So what is the first stop when we have a full day of activities?
Of course, coffee.
Coffee!
Coffee.
And we are going for coffee at McDonald's because
Yes.
we have a coupon for $1 coffee. So this is what we're
good.
going to do. Yeah, it's actually tasty. Everybody says that McDonald's coffee is not that good, but it's really good,
It's so
to
good.
be honest. For
It's
us,
large.
yeah, and yeah, it's a large cup of coffee that you can get for $1. So everything that it's cheap and has a coupon, we're the first one who's gonna try it. So yeah, let's go get this one first. Thank you, baby. Hi, how are you?
We have
Scan? So you want the iced coffee, right?
iced coffee, large.
Thank you. We're here! Toronto Zoo! It's so sunny. Let's see. Come, join us. Hi, how are you? Do you have the city pass?
Yep.
Thank you.
No problem.
So cool. Where are we going now? There's so many things to see. We are... Where are we? Where are we? In entrance. We're here. Now we need to go start here and here. Okay, let's go. So cute. Discovery Canada. So nice. Oh, I want to see the water bottles.
Cool.
Okay, so we first started with the zoo shop in order to see for some gifts or anything that we want to buy. And outside this shop, I saw something that is really interesting. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so check this out. This is a portable battery that you can get if you have a low battery for your phone. You just buy it for $2 an hour, and it's really interesting because you just take this out, you take it with you, and then you bring it back because this is near the entrance and the exit, which is really interesting. So that if you don't have battery on your phone, you can just get this and then return it to any station that they have around the zoo. And it's so interesting. Good job. Really interesting. He looks like he's old. He looks old. Look at him. Side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye. See the little ones? Just chilling there randomly. Wow, these are my friends. they are all blue. They're so cute though, so different. Wow, I've never seen something like this before. Such a beautiful color. I'm gonna dye my hair this color. Wow, they're so big. Ooh. Hi. They look like aliens.
Thank you.
Look at him. Such a cutie. He looks like Cookie is sleeping. Kitty stretch, didn't he? Says that too, doesn't he?
Hello. Hello, creepy tiger.
Now let's see how big his paw is. Let's just see.
This is how to tell the difference. See, the female paws point kind of upward where the male are more spread.
Look. It's so tiny. My hand is so tiny compared to his paw. Wow. I mean, look at it. Could just grab your face like that if he wants to. Wow. Wow. We're hungry. Let me show you what we got. Ow. Okay. Cheese slice with Coca-Cola as a little snack before lunch.
Good.
Hi. 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 What's up? Hey. 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 Hi. Vou chegar muito. Hi. Hi, baby. At the American Pavilion. We just saw all half of the zoo, and now we're going to Africa, Canada, and then Indo Malaysia to go to the exit. So come with me.
Вот, перед тобой. Видишь, на гамаке.
It's amazing.
Видишь? Отдыхает.
Nämä diippimut. Mikä se bomba? Ja, ik op het aanschuiven. Jullie zitten. Je gaat goed, schat. Hi, baby. Look at this cutie over here. This is the newest animal that is viewing in Toronto Zoo. It's called palm oil and it's a type of orangutan. And it seems to be very concentrated on her game right now. Or a little bit depressed. I don't actually know. But it's so cute. Now we're gonna get beaver tails. We are getting hazel. Hazel.
One hazel?
Yeah.
That's all for you today?
That's
Yeah.
all.
It comes up to $8.53.
Cash.
Would you like a receipt?
Thank you. Yummy.
Nice. Let's try it. It's first time trying beaver tails. Everybody says it's so good. I couldn't wait to try it, so let's see how it tastes. This is the hazel taste because it was one of the ones that were left in there today because they were sold out. So let's try it. It's so good. Really good. Okay, here comes the end of our stay today at Toronto Zoo. We had a lot of fun with so many
Yes.
animals, but we thought we would see a bit more actually, because they were usually hidden or sleeping, but it was really fun, to be honest. So highly recommend, come and visit Toronto Zoo and see all the animals because they're really cute. It's a fun day anyway, and we just ate good food, so. And this is it for today's vlog. Thank you, bye!
Bye. Bye.